Hello everyone, today we're going to install mud flaps on a Tesla Model Y. It's a pretty straightforward process. All you need is, of course, your mud flaps, a flathead screwdriver, a pocket screwdriver would work, anything flat, and a trim tool. And on these it says right there, front right, and then rear right, so you know where they go, and they should come with new hardware. There's not much to it aside from just removing some push pins and installing these and replacing the push pins with the new ones. Just like that, stick your flathead in here, move it over a little, pull it back, not all the way, and then pull back the bottom piece. There you go. See? The rear one is on. There was extra more steps to do than I mentioned. As you can see, this little nut, plastic nut over there. All you have to do is like back it out with your hands. It comes off, and then there's a 10mm you gotta take off right there. And that's about it. And make sure these clips over here snap into this trim piece before putting everything back in. This is before without mud flaps. This is after the install. They weren't too bad. It came with some retaining clips you gotta staple on here or like push on there, which is good. Let me show you from the back. Alright guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned.